What is up, idols? It's Shell again here, and I'm back with another unboxing video. I just received a package today and I'm very excited to unbox this item in front of you because what I got was Xiaomi Smart Air Fryer. We ordered this online and I'll just put the details in the description box down below, so if you're interested, you may check that one out. We've been trying to stock up on items that will help us promote a healthier lifestyle, and cooking your food using an air fryer is a healthier alternative to actually frying your food because it makes use of little to no oil, and based on my research, it mimics a convection oven, the ovens that have a fan and an exhaust to actually make the temperature inside hotter and to make the hot air even more distributed inside. This will allow us to cook our food faster and I think evenly. So here is the item, and it just has some drawings of what you can cook using it, and you also have the specs here, which I'll just summarize here. And let's begin the unboxing. Let's see what the entire thing is in Chinese characters. Shall we just be brave and just try it out? It's really not in a readable format for me, so let's just go ahead. I guess that means that it's turned on. There it is. Inside, and here's how it looks inside. There's an LCD screen right here. It's on, I guess, there. And then the temperature is showing here. And then there's just different settings depending on what you want to cook. So there's an icon of a fish here, a cupcake, a steak, a drumstick, fries, and seafood. And then I think you can just adjust the temperature and the time. The temperature for this is up to 200 degrees Celsius, and the timer can be set up to 30 minutes. So let's try cooking. Hi, so I washed the non-stick basket of my air fryer and got some vegetables from the fridge, whatever I have there, and chopped them up. And then also brought out frozen fish straight from the freezer and popped it into the air fryer. And my plan is halfway through its cooking time, I'll pop in the vegetables so that they will be cooked together after 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, that's the machine. I'm not sure if it's supposed to sound like that, but that's how it's currently going.
A few moments later.
I just finished eating my plate of salmon and vegetables. Idols, overall, I think the experience of cooking with Xiaomi's air fryer is okay. I think it's good for home cooks and it's perfect for people who are in a rush like me. As you've seen, I didn't even have to thaw my salmon and I just popped my vegetables and fish in there. And my favorite part is that I just left them there and headed back to work until I heard that it's done. So I guess it's also time saving. Plus, I only use the device plus some tongs in cooking, so it's easy to clean up, and at the same time I didn't have to deal with splattering oil all over me or the kitchen. And of course, idols, the most important benefit of having an air fryer is that we still get to enjoy our favorite typically fried food like french fries, breaded chicken, or other types of meat without the use of excess oil. So if you're looking to cut your calories without, being too restrictive with your diet, then this will be very helpful for you. If you want to get more updates on my usage of this product and more, head over to Instagram and follow me. I'll make sure to update you about the new recipes I get to find. Please also share with me your favorite air fryer recipes in the comment section down below. I'll create them and give you a shout out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, idols! I am not sure.